Kitchen bestsellers. Top 5 you need. Number 5. Silicone spatula set. Heat resistant, super flexible, and perfect for non-stick cookware. Your new mixing and scraping MVPs. Number 4. The Glass Olive Oil Sprayer. Premium build, portion control, and perfect for salads, grilling, and everyday cooking. Number 3. KitchenAid All-Purpose Shears. Sharp stainless steel blades with a soft grip handle. Tough, reliable, and dishwasher safe. Number 2. Reusable dishwashing gloves. Waterproof, non-slip, and comfortable for all-day kitchen cleaning. And number 1. Spring Chef Heavy-Duty Ice Cream Scoop. Glides through even the hardest ice cream with zero effort. Strong, durable, and made to last. Follow for more kitchen bestsellers.